Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an Outlet 2003 Honda Shadow Spirit 750. This cruiser has just under 29,000 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. As you can see, this bike's been given a custom paint job. They did a really nice job of it. Really turned out well. Tires on it, good shape. Looks to be plenty of miles left on them. It's got aftermarket mirrors on it, as well as over controls. And I don't find any type of tip over or lay down damage on it, but I did find a little hole in the seat here, but not horrible. And it also comes with twin Vance & Hines chrome pipes. Same with the rear tire. That looks to be in plenty good shape. Lots of miles left on that. Again, our custom paint job. Like I said, they did a really nice job of it. Over controls, as well as an aftermarket horn. And our mirrors again. Alright, show you them miles now. 28,777 is what's on it. This 2003 Honda Shadow Spirit 750 is an outlet motorcycle, which means it will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.